Mukajia kuigua accidents.
Bara ya tĩri-rĩ eyo andũ matiteng'eraga, so the likelihood of an accident of proportions is quite low. Tau nĩwona bara ĩno ya kũingĩra kũrĩa Thubukia he bara mekĩrie na kũu thĩinĩ. Bara ĩyo yekĩrwo graveling ũguo-rĩ, andũ nĩmateng'eraga ũru and they were causing accidents. Yes.
No go kihobu minister ndarakenda akuminia ati
matigwaka bara
nimekunyihia gwikira bararami. I hope he was just saying as a by the way.
No, if you do roads, proper roads, with proper signage, adequate signage. Todo koro gwike thina tukona kio barabara-ini especially isi main woku bururi-ini ne signage.
Signage
na marking lane. Taro bara nyingi kungiura wega. Wona ngari ciothe ciathie that. Because you can't see nothing.
You see nothing.
Toto reflector ciekiragwo na ndio irutagwo kuri. Eto reflector tu to glow aga in the dark. To henagia.
To lane markers.
Yes. To thia to ga fade. The only ones that don't fade na mafatie methe mundu uria waturehire ri. No ato to koragwo na entries ya kuingira bypass. Bypass uguo taru ha Kiamburu ari to tifedaga.
To tifedaga.
Yes. To turekeirwo ha bara ya TM thiko ici tutarakioneka.
To tiro riu ne to thiru.
And they were looking like a beautiful run. We don't know